Hello everyone. Ever had a lighter completely give up on you, refusing to spark up even once? You can see me try to spark it, but nothing happens. Today, I'm going to show you not one, but two incredible transformations using simple everyday items. To begin, I'm taking an old phone charger cable. We're going to transform this cable into a crucial part of our project. I'm carefully cutting off the USB end, as we'll only need the wires inside. Next, I'll strip away the outer insulation from the cut end of the cable. This reveals the smaller internal wires, which are essential for our electrical connections. I'm stripping the insulation from these individual wires and twisting them together. This step is important because it exposes the copper conductors, allowing us to create a solid electrical connection for the heating element we're building. I'm securing the lighter in a small vise to hold it steady. This ensures precision and safety for the next step, where we'll be making modifications to the lighter's body. I'm using a drill to make two small, precise holes on the top of the lighter's body, right next to where the igniter used to be. These holes will serve as entry points for the electrical contacts and for filling the lighter with our special solution. With the lighter prepped, it's time to concoct our secret sauce. I've got a glass mug here, and I'm adding a few spoonfuls of common table salt. The salt increases the water's conductivity, which is vital for our electrical circuit later on. It's important to dissolve the salt completely. I fill a glass mug with water. This creates a conductive saline solution that will help us restore the lighter's internal function by reactivating its components. Now for the actual recharge of our lighter. I'm taking a syringe and carefully drawing up some of our saline solution. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Using the syringe, I carefully fill the lighter's internal chamber with the saltwater solution I prepared earlier. This solution will allow electricity to flow, creating the heating effect we're aiming for. It's a delicate process to ensure the lighter is completely filled. With the solution inside, I'm placing the lighter back into the vise. This time, we're going to add external connection points to enhance its functionality. I'm screwing in these small metal eye hooks into the drilled holes. These will serve as crucial contact points for our electrical connection. To secure everything and make it robust, I'm applying a generous amount of baking soda around the base of the metal loops. The baking soda acts as a filler and accelerator, creating an incredibly strong and fast-curing bond. Once the baking soda is in place, I carefully drip super glue over it, letting it harden. This ensures the loops are firmly fixed and creates a watertight seal, preventing the conductive solution from leaking out. Baking soda, when combined with super glue, creates a very strong and durable bond, making sure our connections are robust. This is a critical step for both durability and safety. You can see how the baking soda and glue provide a solid base for the new connections. Here is our transformed lighter with the securely attached eyelets. I'm taking the stripped USB cable from earlier and attaching the exposed wires to the metal eyelets on the lighter. I'm wrapping the wires tightly around the eyelets to ensure a strong electrical connection. This turns the lighter itself into a small heating element. I'm once again securing the modified lighter in the vise. This setup will provide the necessary power to heat up the lighter's new elements. I then connect the charger to a power source. You can start to see a subtle reaction, tiny bubbles forming around the connection points inside the lighter. This indicates the electricity is interacting with the salt solution, initiating the process to bring our lighter back to life. It's truly fascinating to watch science in action. Alright, with our lighter solution doing its thing, let's move on to our next exciting project, a DIY water heater. I'll cut off the end again and strip the wires, just like before. I'm also using a regular lighter to burn off the insulation, which is a quick way to expose the copper. I've taken 2 small pieces of metal and attached them to the stripped wires. These metal plates will act as the heating elements for our second project. Soldering creates a permanent and low-resistance bond, essential for efficient heat transfer. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. To ensure a strong and reliable electrical connection, I'm using my soldering iron to firmly attach the wires to each metal plate. I carefully apply solder, ensuring each connection is neat and secure. This is where precision makes all the difference in creating an effective heater. I tried to firmly pin these pieces of metal together with a small piece of wood. Let's test our ingenious water heater. I fill a glass mug with water. Then, I connect our newly soldered USB cable with the metal plates to the USB charger. I carefully submerge the metal plates into the water. The charger is plugged into a power strip, ready to go. Almost immediately, you'll start to see bubbles forming and steam beginning to rise. The current passing through the plates is generating heat, rapidly warming the water. This simple setup can truly boil water. To confirm its effectiveness, I use a thermometer, and as you can see, the temperature is climbing quickly, reaching impressive levels. As you can see, it's quickly climbing from around 30 degrees Celsius all the way up to over 80 degrees Celsius. This proves the effectiveness of our improvised heating element. It's perfect for a quick cup of hot water when you need it. Now for the final reveal. I've disconnected it from the charger. I'm showing you our original red lighter, transformed and ready to use. Look at that! A perfect, strong flame. Watch as I effortlessly light the candle with a simple click. It lights right up, proving that even a seemingly broken item can be revived with a bit of ingenuity and basic science. Wasn't that incredible? From reviving a lighter to building a mini water heater, I hope you enjoyed these clever hacks. If you loved these transformations, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below letting me know which hack surprised you the most. Bye. See you in the next video.